How to use Anydesk on iPhone. Anydesk enables remote desktop operations with unparalleled performance, such as video image editing, administration, and teamwork. In this video, I will show you the basics for Anydesk on iPhone. I will show you how to install Anydesk on iPhone, how to connect from an iPhone to a PC, and also how to allow a connection from a PC to your phone. So let's start by installing Anydesk. How to install Anydesk on iPhone. Anydesk is the fastest and most affordable remote control software in the world. Access your devices on all platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Let's see how to install Anydesk on iPhone. First, we need to go to the App Store, so open App Store. Tap on the search button. On the search above, write Anydesk. Now tap on search. After you have found the app, just tap on Get and wait. You will need to allow the installation if it is the first time you install this app on your account. This may differ on every device, so the best advice is to follow the on-screen instruction. You have now installed Anydesk on your iPhone device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Tap on OK to allow to find and connect to devices on your local network. Tap Allow for Anydesk to send you notification. You will see here the ID of your phone. Also, you will have the possibility to connect to a remote address here on your phone. Now let's check the settings a bit. Tap on the menu from the right. Here you can see some of the options you have available for your iPhone. You can set up the quality, show the remote cursor, and also enable playback. Enable playback will also send audio when somebody connects to your iPhone. You will see your Anydesk ID and alias. Also, you can record session by going on these settings. These are just a few settings you can take a look at and adjust how you like. This is how you install Anydesk on your iPhone. How to connect from iPhone to PC with Anydesk. If you wish to connect with Anydesk from your iPhone to a desktop device, follow these steps. First, please note that the PC needs to have Anydesk installed, so please be sure to talk with the person to install this software. After this, ask that person for the ID from Anydesk. After we have this info, we can continue. Let's tap on Anydesk app. Here on the app, write the ID you receive on the field Remote Address. After you have added the address, just tap on the button Connect. Now you will have to wait until the person accepts your request. If the request is accepted, then Anydesk will start a small tutorial. Swipe to see all of the tutorial. Please take notice of this tutorial as this will help you a lot. You are now connected to the PC. You can try to play around a bit with the screen and try to get used to the comments from the phone. It is not easy for the first time to understand how this system works and how you can manage the PC from the iPhone. You can even change the position of the phone to have a better screen size. You will see you cannot actually tap on the screen and the app will be selected. You will have to go with the mouse cursor from the PC and tap on that app to click it live on the PC. It is a bit time consuming, but if you get the hang of it, you can do it. This option is very good if you need access to a PC to do basic stuff. If you swipe from right to left, you will get to a menu. Here you will be able to change the settings from the session. Change between screens if the PC you are connected has multiple monitors. Show keyboard. This will be helpful when you need to type something. Actions. Here you can have multiple actions that can apply to the PC you are connected and then close the connection. Just play around with these settings and you will be able to use Anydesk in no time. After you have played around and you do not need to be connected to the PC from your iPhone, just tap the Close Session button. You have connected to a PC from your iPhone device with Anydesk. How to allow access to your iPhone with Anydesk? To allow access to your iPhone with Anydesk, you will need an internet connection. This is not possible offline. Also, you will need to have Anydesk installed on your iPhone. Please be sure to have this. This is a very important notice. Only allow a trusted person access to your iPhone. Also, it is very important to add to your control center the record button. If you do not add this button to the iPhone, then you might not be able to disconnect the other person from seeing your iPhone. I have made a video on how to do that, so check the description of the video. First, start your app, so tap on the Anydesk icon. Here you will see your address. Give this address to the person who you wish to allow to access your phone. After you have given this ID, please wait. When somebody tries to connect to your phone, you will receive this notification. Tap Accept. Tap here Start Broadcast. A timer will appear and you will start broadcasting your screen on Anydesk. All that you do on your iPhone will be visible to others. A timer will start near the Anydesk app. This shows how much time you have been screen sharing. Now you have allowed access to your iPhone with Anydesk. To close the remote access to your phone, swipe from the right of the control center. If you have added the record button on the control center, you will be able to tap it and the remote access will end. If you do not see this button, then check the video in the description on how to add it on your iPhone. This is how you allow access to your iPhone with Anydesk. How to reset your ID from Anydesk on iPhone. Anydesk does not allow you to change your address directly. How you can change your ID number? Please note that this tutorial will require you to delete all your settings from Anydesk on iPhone. Also, you will lose access to your history of connections. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset the app so you will receive a new ID. If you have any important data on the Anydesk app, do not use this method. So first, tap on the Anydesk app and keep your finger on it until you get this menu. Tap on Remove App. Delete app. Tap Delete. We need to go to the App Store, so open App Store. On the search above, write Anydesk. Now tap on Search. After you have found the app, just tap on Get and wait. You have now installed Anydesk on your iPhone device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. After you open the app, you will see that the address is different. Please note, this is the only way I found that you can actually reset your ID. This is how you can reset your ID for Anydesk on your iPhone. How to connect iPhone to Android with Anydesk. Anydesk from iOS grants remote access and remote control via iPhone. Access a central computer or any Android phone while you are on the move. Anydesk is built for connectivity across a broad range of applications and it is free for private use. First, please note that the Android phone needs to have Anydesk installed, so please be sure you talk with the person to install this software. After this, ask that person for the ID from Anydesk. After we have this info, we can continue. Let's tap on Anydesk app. Here on the app, write the ID you receive on this field, remote address. After you have added the address, just tap on the button Connect. Now you will have to wait until the person accepts your request. If the request is accepted, then Anydesk will start a small tutorial. Swipe to see all of the tutorial. Please take notice of this tutorial as this will help you a lot. You are now connected to the Android phone. I am connected to a Samsung phone and I have access to work even on that phone. You can try to play around a bit with the screen and try to get used to the comments from the phone. If you tap on the icon, you will see the comments. Here, you will be able to change the settings for the session, change between screens, show keyboard. This will be helpful when you need to type something. Actions. Here you have multiple actions that can be applied to the phone you are connected. And close session. Just play around with these settings and you will be able to use Anydesk in no time. After you have played around and you do not need to be connected to the Android phone from your iPhone, just tap the Close Session button. You have connected to an Android phone from your iPhone device with Anydesk. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.